In this video, I will guide you on how to cancel Walmart Plus membership. If you are inside your 30-day trial and want to avoid being charged, or if you simply want to end your paid subscription, then these are the steps you need to follow. First, launch open the Walmart app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, look for the Walmart Plus option and tap on that. Now scroll down to the bottom of your Member Hub screen and tap on Manage Membership. At the bottom of the management page, locate and tap on the link that says Cancel Walmart Plus. Now Walmart will show you a few screen details that will show the perks you will lose. Skip past these by tapping Continue to Cancel. Now select a reason for your cancellation from the list provided, then tap on Cancel Membership button to finalize it. If you activated a free subscription to Paramount or Peacock through your membership, the streaming access will shut down the exact day your Walmart billing cycle ends. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.